Hi everyone, I'm Mars from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. And today we are in a really peaceful location, beautiful colony. This is Green Park Extension, and you can see so many trees all around. Very peaceful. There's hardly any traffic here, so you can use either of these ways to get out of this colony or get in here. And this is the building behind me that we are showcasing today. We'll be showing you a middle floor, and this is actually the new height in which the builder has made it. It's 17 meters. And just as we enter, we have the stilt area, the parking. So you get different gates, different lane parking for each floor. And right now, this middle gate, these are for the middle floors, the first and the second floor, and we'll be showcasing the one of the middle floors only. Very well lit parking area plus servant rooms are coming up at the back side. It's still yet to be made, and really nice ceiling work has been done in the stilt area also, as you can see. As you come here, you get your staircases and the lift that will take you upstairs. So this is the floor, and just as you enter right into the dining area of this property. So that is the front side of the property, and as usual at the back side we have the bedroom. So today let's start from the back side and let's see the master bedroom first, because we have been seeing the master bedroom at the end till now. So you get really nice wooden flooring done in the master bedroom. Thus you have a huge door as well to the backside balcony that is accessible to the backside balcony. You get really nice false ceiling over here, and you get your split air conditioner. Also, if I talk about the false ceiling, you'll find different false ceiling work done in mostly all different rooms, the dining area, the living area, the kitchens and everywhere. Plus you get two sets of wardrobe here. One is on this side, and similar has been given on the other side as well behind you. So there's two wardrobes here and two over that side, with your shoe rack or storage area below as well. So this is the new height that the builder has given. So it's a 17-meter height of the building. This is the attached washroom that you get with this master bedroom. You have a WC here, really huge mirror up here, your wash basin, good amount of storage in the vanity area. And this is the shower cubicle, good amount of space here, plus a window for your ventilation. So this is the second bedroom, and this is also quite spacious as compared to the master bedroom. It's almost the same size, and you get your wardrobes in the washroom in here with sliding doors that I'll show you. So you get again a different kind of a false ceiling in this bedroom, as I told you earlier, because it's different to the one that is in the master bedroom. There's the attached balcony that is attached to the master bedroom also, and this room also you get your mosquito nets also in all the doors, all the windows. So your washing area is also at the back only. You get your washing area at this side, you get your geyser here along with it. Here's the split air conditioner, plus let's see the attached washroom of the second bedroom. And here you get your WC, plus this shower cubicle is a lot more bigger than we saw previously, and you get your rain shower above view, window for your ventilation, plus your wash basin, a really nice mirror. I really like this, and your vanity space is given here. Plus you get your wardrobes here with the huge sliding doors, and it comes with automatic lightings also. So there's two wardrobes, two storage areas. This is the first, and you get one this side. So there's plenty of drawers also given by the builder, and huge space above also. So we have seen the two rooms, and this is actually a not a 4 BHK, this is actually a 3 BHK plus with study. So this is the study area, the study room, because it doesn't have an attached washroom given to it. So you get an air conditioner, a different kind of a false ceiling given here as well. So there's 3 different kind of false ceilings we have seen in all the different rooms. You get wardrobes or storage area here as well. So if you want to make this room into an office space, you have space given here for your storage, for your paperwork and everything. This is the attached balcony on the east side of this property. This was the entrance from where we came inside, and right when you enter you get your mandir area over this side. So it's good amount of space in the mandir area also. Just along with it is the dining area that we have already seen. You get a split air conditioner here as well in the dining area. This is again the same balcony that is attached to the study room. Let's see the kitchen. I really like the kitchen of this property. I really like the theme, the colors used here, and because it's really nice and really spacious the kitchen is. There's plenty of space to walk in here. You get your refrigerator area cut out here with storages on the side also. So this is something really different. I've seen that the builder has given the storage above also. So you come this side of the kitchen, there's your washing area, storage above also for your dishes, and there's a huge window cutout for ventilation. There's different kind of storages have been given by the builder everywhere. So these are the see-through ones. These are all covered. You get plenty of drawers everywhere. You get your gas stove and the chimney is already installed. Again, so much of storage. The microwave and the microwave and the oven are yet to be installed in here. That will be done up by the builder. This is the powder room, and again plenty of space to walk here. There's your really nice wash basin. Really unique design, I'll have to say. Really nice mirror cutout and your WC. So this is the dining area, the drawing area of this property. Really huge, really spacious. You can have plenty of seating area all around. Like you can have your seating area over this side, and obviously this side as well. And you get 2 VRV air conditioners here. And again, if I talk about the false ceiling, it's different to that of the other rooms. And it is attached here to the 3rd bedroom of this property that I'll show you in a bit. And I won't say that's a guest room because there's plenty of storage, there's plenty of space in that room also. So it's up to you. You want to make it a guest room, you can do that. You want to use that, you want to stay in it, that's your call. Because there's plenty of rooms at the back also, there's a room here also. So it's actually a 4 bedroom, but a 3 bedroom with a study. And here's the front side balcony of this property. Huge doors, sliding doors given here with mosquito nets. And you get your washing area at that side or this side, I'll show you. And there's plenty of space to walk around here. It's an L-shaped balcony. And I really like this, it's really open. There's a lot of greenery outside. As you can see, we are on the 2nd floor right now. And a really peaceful location, I would say. Not much of traffic down here. I have rarely seen any traffic in this location before. Really nice ceiling work done up here in the balcony as well. And you get this covered area also here. So you can have a small sitting area this side if you don't want direct sunlight to be coming on you. That can be done. You can add a fan over here or something. Just to have your morning tea or something. Let's see this bedroom also. This is also attached to the front side balcony. So this is also really spacious, a really nice big room. You get this entrance to the balcony. You have this really nice corner glass over here for natural light to come in. Your split air conditioner and the wardrobes are given here. So you get two wardrobes in this room. There's the attached washroom. There's space in the attached washroom also for storage, and you get wardrobes here also. Again with the sliding doors as we saw in the other washroom. So we get two separate wardrobes here also. Behind this gate there's one. So it all comes with automatic lighting. And here's the wash basin, vanity area. Again a similar kind of cutout of the mirror. And behind you is the WC and the shower area over here with your space to keep your utilities plus your rain shower. So this is a really nice property. As you have already seen, we have shown you all the three in the bedrooms, the study, the washrooms, the kitchen. A really nice drawing area that you have seen, really nice dining area just as you enter in this property. So I hope you like this property. It's really one of a kind, a very different layout to compare to others. So I hope you must have seen different properties, different kind of layouts in different locations. This is something very new that we have also seen. So I would really like, if you are interested in something of this size and this range, I would say you should have a look at this. Really nice location, I would say. Green Park Extension, one of the most in demand and very centrally located as well in all over South Delhi. Plus everything is nearby, the market, the hospitals, the schools are nearby, really good schools are nearby. So there's no issue, plus you have plenty of parks also all around. And if you want to have a look at this property, you can contact us. Our number is in the description, so you can give us a call. We'll be really happy to help you. We'll show you this property, plus we have plenty of other options to show you. And thank you so much.